Hello and welcome to Alarm Geek. On this video I'll be showing you how to change your access code on a Scantronic 9751EN panel. To start, with the time and date on the screen, enter your existing code. Press 4 for codes. Re-enter your existing code, followed by the tick button. This will bring up user 01. Tick. Now enter your new code. Tick again. The double beep confirms the code has been changed. Codes cannot start with 0. Now, the old code has been erased and a new code is on the system. Thanks very much. See you again.